I'm on Darien Valley Station right now.
What was that parcel tag again?
William John Paul is what he said it was showing.
Alright, I got it. 234 William John Paul. See your hand!
Okay, what's your exact location?
Hands! Put your hands in the air. Stay right there. Stay right there. 10,602 Grafton Hall. Keep your hands in the air. Turn around. Back towards me. Turn around and back towards me.
10,602 Grafton Hall.
Keep walking back. 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 Get on your knees. Get on your knees. Stay right there. Stay right there. I think it's going to be 10. Stay on the ground.
10508 Grafton Hall, 1
South of Haney.
Keep your mouth shut.
384 is on scene with it. Pulling up.
384 with 310.
Secure him.
One more in the guard. One more in the guard.
One more subject in the car.
Open the passenger door! Open the passenger door! Driver or passenger? Hello. It's okay. Come here. It's okay.
310, we're 1086, we have referral.
Where?